Hello diamond painting friends, happy Pride. Welcome to a surprise pop-up unboxing today. I say surprise pop-up unboxing because it was a surprise to me that this canvas was coming. It arrived on my doorstep and I could not be more thrilled. Now by the time I get this video edited, it might not be Pride Month anymore, but that doesn't matter because in my house it's Pride Month every day. Wait, in my house it's Pride Month every month, so so I can work on this anytime and it'll be absolutely perfect. No pun intended. Today's unboxing is from Distracted by Diamonds. We're going to be taking a peek at a surprise canvas that Robyn delivered to my doorstep. Thank you, Robyn. This is called Prrride by Puffy Gator. I love this. This is going to be so great. If you are a channel regular, hi, great to see you. Hope you're having a great week. If you're brand new to the channel, I'd love you to subscribe because I'd love to see you all the time. Here on Tiny Worlds of Wonder, you'll find tutorials, unboxings, crocheting, cross-stitch coloring, lots of diamond painting. If you love crafts and you love crafting with positive vibes, this is the place for you. I'd love to have you here all the time. Let's get into this canvas today. Like I said, this was provided by Distracted by Diamonds, gratis to me as a gift. Thank you, Robyn. I really appreciate it. But I really wanted to show it to you guys, not because I feel like Pride Month should be a monetized, commercialized month. And I know Robyn doesn't feel that way either, to be honest. If anyone puts their money where their mouth is when it comes to supporting Love is Love, it is Robyn. Let's take a peek. Now you might say, Jessica, this is not your normal style of canvas. And in a sense you would be right, but there is definitely a side of me that loves all things just hilarious and all things cute and all things fuzzy. So this is the side of me that I'm channeling today. Oh my gosh, look at this. This makes me happy. Okay, we're going to roll it backwards. I know, it's gonna get old. So you guys have probably noticed that Robyn at Distracted by Diamonds has produced a whole series of adorable cats recently in her canvases created by Puffy Gator. So she's got her Christmas kitty, she's got her Kwanzaa kitty, she's got all kinds of kitties. This one is her gay Pride kitty, which is awesome. This is a very festive, amazing canvas. I love it so much. Look at this. Oh, this is very cute. Of course, we have the Pride flag here. We have our kitty. We have some daisies, little flower child vibe there. Roses, flowers in the background. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I love it so much. This has 50 colors. Robyn, you are not skimping on the colors lately. Your canvases have a ton of colors. This looks great. Now, if you are a fan of color blocking, this is a canvas for you because the style of this artwork lends itself perfectly to this kind of color blocked vibe that we have going on here. To do it any other way, I don't think would work very well. So this is just a magical wonderland of colors. And I'll take you out for some B-roll here in a second so you can see it. This is a round drill canvas in size, pretty big. It's pretty big. Here's some release paper. Remember to use that waxy side down. It is I know the answer. I know the answer to this. 62 by 92 centimeter round. That's ginormous. Here's our original art. You can cut this out, put it in your diamond painting journal if you would like to. Here we have our pre-cut labels. I love this. Now, when Robyn says we value diversity, inclusivity, and the rights of the artist, she is not joking. Seriously, you guys. I've known Robyn for enough years now to know that that is not just lip service. We have a beautiful double-sided diamond painting tray with a roll of washi tape, some pink wax. This did also come with a pink pen stuck down in my box. So that's great. Everything you need to get started. Very fun. All right, let's take a peek at some colors. Does this not just make you happy? Look at this. This makes me so happy. I love it. Okay, maybe I'll set our adorable little canvas over here. If you would like to see one of Robyn's kitties all finished up, go check out Diamonds and Washi's channel. She finished the Christmas kitty, I want to say. You can really see the rendering there and just the cuteness of it all if you want to see one all finished up. It's very, very adorable. I'll link that video down in the description so you guys can find it. Pre-bag drills are the best invention ever. Ever. This one has ABs. Now, if you're gonna have a canvas with ABs, I feel like this is the one. Let's see how many we have here. We'll see if we can find all the ABs. Now, you guys, I admit that a background of white makes me quake in my boots a little bit, because when white drills are crooked or very light colored drills are crooked, you can really tell. So I don't think actually that there is a lot of difficulty with diamond painting. If you have a good quality diamond painting, it's not a hard craft. That's the appeal of it. I think the skill of diamond painting comes in setting drills straight, and a lot of times you can't really tell unless you have these light backgrounds. So that scares me a tiny bit, but it's not going to stop me. It's not going to stop me. I'm going to try to place them in groups of 4. That's my best tip. If you're worried about placing your round drills straight, I'll stick a little very short video up in the cards that might help you out. It's something that's helped me out a lot. So there's what I assume to be our background colors. We'll take a peek here in a second as to where they go. Lots of purples, lots of rainbow colors, as you would expect. Definitely on the pastel side of the rainbow, however. Purples, lots of purples, bright yellows. I'm gonna use my Squappy Dog 3D Designs bright yellow tray when I get to this one. It's gonna be so awesome. I love that tray. It's gonna be rocking. Some greens, some reds, some blues. Okay, ABs, we're on an AB hunt here. I see some, I see some. We have purple, 209. That's very cute. We have 602, which is kind of a pinky red. Nice. If you're new to diamond painting, the AB just means like iridescent coated. And you see how those are a little different than just your normal average drills. They're really cool. In the right context, ABs are awesome. And then 666, which is red. The irreverent part of me is just, it's a little thrilled we have 666 in this canvas. Sorry. There's a side of me that I don't let out on YouTube very often. So that's a number of ABs. It really is. That's super fun. Okay, let's see where some of these colors go. That's the best part. Okay, so we have in the background a little bit of this. In the top white part, mainly these 3 colors, but then as you can see, as we get down into the bottom here, we have some rainbows happening. I can't let it go. I can't. And then our kitty is purple. It's so awesome. So our kitty is gonna be this, and this, and this, and this, and then some. Like really cute. Of course there's some blue accents in their adorable face here. How great is that? The symbols look crystal clear as per usual with Distracted by Diamonds. This all looks very, very, very fun. It's gonna be very fun. This canvas is joyful, it's beautiful, just as it should be when celebrating Pride. I love it so much. Thank you, Robyn. I adore it. Thank you, thank you. Now the best part ever, you guys, might be that Robyn didn't just send me one of these canvases. Robyn actually sent me 2 of them so that I can share one with you. So if you would be interested in receiving gay pride from Puffy Gator, please sign up in my Happy Mail giveaway form down below. Please make sure you fill the form out completely. It's very important that I have every bit of information on there that I ask for. I use this form to do some destashes as well, so there are some questions about destashing on there. I would also like you to leave a message of positivity in the comments below. Whatever that might mean to you today, something you could say that would encourage another person, not just me, but the other people reading the comments. You know what I mean? Wish some people some happy vibes down in the comments below. All of the official rules for the giveaway will be in the description as required by YouTube. Please leave your comment 7 days from the day this video goes live. So you can see the little date there when the video goes live. Within 7 days from that date, please leave your comment. Make sure you've signed up on the Happy Mail giveaway form. I'm so excited to share one of these with you guys. Thank you so much, Robyn. I really appreciate not only receiving this as a beautiful, beautiful gift for Pride Month, something I'm excited to share and work on in my own house. It's also something I'm excited to share with one of our lucky viewers. So thanks so much to Robyn at Distracted by Diamonds. Thanks to you for watching today. It's been so fun hanging out with you. I hope you have a wonderful week. As always, spread some joy wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.